So, we are wondering what is black energy, okay? And my idea, the idea that came to me, is that, how can I start? Dark energy seems to work like anti-gravity, basically. And so what could be the cause of anti-gravity? And it's probably counterintuitive, but it's gravity. Makes no sense. Alright, so then we're good. So let's see how that happens, okay? So, here is the analogy. You take a vacuum and you put the membrane of a balloon against the mouth of the vacuum. Yeah, and so it's the vacuum cleaner. And so it's been sucked in like this, okay? And so that suction would be the analogy of gravity. It's sucking in, alright? And from the inside of the balloon, though, you would be experiencing the wall of the balloon expanding, okay? And so then you're thinking, oh, it's anti-gravity, or it's some kind of mysterious dark energy that we don't know that's pushing and repulsing everything, when it's actually gravity. Now, of course, then since you're like thinking, okay, there's no way of knowing if it's, at least you're getting the analogy, okay? So from the, okay, so what could be causing this? Okay, let's go instead there. What could be causing this would be a giant supermassive black hole that we are in. Okay? And there is infinite pressure in that black hole, but there's also infinite space. So it equals to 0. Nearly. Or more or less. I don't know. But something that's not too bad, actually. Maybe locally there's maybe some places where it's really hard, other places where it's 0. So, it's quantum fluctuation. Right? So you get little variations that are amplified into virtual particles and dust and dust that slam into each other, into planets and stars and solar system and other black holes. Alright? So yeah, I don't know. I hope that you get the idea then that when we talk about gravity, we're talking about actually a shape of space-time. So the shape of the membrane, like that. And so when you're looking at things going this way, it looks like something is sucking. So there is gravity that's pulling in. It's just the way that matter dribbles down along, dribbles and falls down along that curve. And if you look at it from the other side, which is from the inside, it looks like it's expanding. Okay? Now I wonder, okay, so if you're inside of a black hole and if there is nothing that's feeding the black hole, does it feel different than if matter is falling into the black hole and making the black hole grow? Can you perceive that from the inside? Okay, that's my question. Would it create a faster inflation? It should, you know. So then when two galaxies collide, you have like a giant burst, and for whoever is inside of that black hole, it looks like a huge Big Bang. And then it might slow down, and then for the next one, again it starts again. Could be that. Could be that. Alright, yeah. Let me know. So then just the idea of gravity and anti-gravity is just a point of view. I don't know, I thought it was really mind-blowing. And it's gotta be testable. It's gotta be like, people might like be able to like test it somehow. I don't know. Alright, that's all folks.